Welcome back. In the last lecture, we defined the special characters that form the structure of advanced regular expressions. Now we will combine anchors, character sets, and the OR operator to build a robust pattern for a common validation task, checking for a simple email address. 1. Building the username part or local part. The first part of an email address before the @ sign typically consists of letters, numbers, and maybe some punctuation like dots or underscores. We use a character set, square brackets, to define the allowed characters, a -z, a -z, 0-9, and the dot, and underscore. Then we apply the plus sign quantifier to ensure that this local part has one or more of these characters. 2. Building the domain name part. After the @ sign, we have the domain name, like gmail.com. This is similar to the local part, but often separated by dots. The pattern we use, square bracket a -z0-9 plus, ensures one or more allowed characters for the main domain. This is followed by a literal dot, /dot, which is required because the plain dot is a special character, and then another set of one or more allowed characters for the top-level domain, like com. 3. The complete validation pattern. We combine the local part and the domain part with a literal @ sign. Crucially, we wrap the whole expression in the anchor characters, the caret sign, at the beginning, and the $sign, at the end. This ensures that the pattern matches the entire string, not just a small piece of text within a larger invalid string. This is the difference between extraction and strict validation. To summarize, you now know the key components of regular expressions. Our next lecture, 24.12, Web Scrapping Demo. See you there.